Introduction. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and two of the biggest buzzwords right now are NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and Web3. These innovations are reshaping ownership, creativity, and digital transactions, offering a decentralized and transparent approach to online interactions. But what exactly are NFTs and Web3, and why are they being hailed as the next big thing in digital assets? Let's dive in. What are NFTs? NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, making them verifiable and irreplaceable. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible, each unit is the same as another, NFTs are one of a kind and cannot be duplicated. Key features of NFTs. 1. Digital ownership. NFTs prove ownership of digital items like art, music, videos, and virtual real estate. 2. Scarcity and uniqueness. Each NFT is distinct, creating value for digital collectors and investors. 3. Smart contracts. NFTs are powered by blockchain-based smart contracts, ensuring secure and transparent transactions. 4. Interoperability. Many NFTs can be used across different platforms and metaverse environments. Understanding Web3 represents the next phase of the internet, shifting from centralized control, Web 2, to decentralization, user ownership, and blockchain technology. It promises a more democratic and user-driven digital space, free from the dominance of big tech companies. Key aspects of Web3. 1. Decentralization. Data and assets are stored on blockchain networks rather than corporate servers. 2. User empowerment. Users have more control over their data, identities, and online experiences. 3. Tokenization. Digital assets, including NFTs, are integral to Web3 economies, allowing users to earn and trade value. 4. Smart contracts and DAOs. Decision-making is shifting to decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, removing the need for intermediaries. The connection between NFTs and Web3 NFTs are a crucial component of Web3, fueling digital ownership and decentralized economies. They enable creators, gamers, and investors to engage in online markets without relying on traditional gatekeepers. Use cases of NFTs in Web3. 1. Digital art and collectibles. Artists can tokenize their work, sell it directly to buyers, and earn royalties through smart contracts. 2. Gaming and virtual realities. Players can buy, sell, and trade in-game assets as NFTs, maintaining ownership across platforms. 3. Real estate and identity verification. NFTs are being used for virtual real estate and as secure, verifiable digital identities. 4. Music and entertainment. Musicians and content creators can sell exclusive content directly to their fans without middlemen. Challenges and future of NFTs and Web3. While the potential of NFTs and Web3 is immense, challenges such as scalability, environmental concerns, and regulatory uncertainty need to be addressed. However, with continuous innovation and mainstream adoption, these technologies are poised to redefine digital ownership, online economies, and creative expression. Conclusion: NFTs and Web3 are not just trends, they represent a fundamental shift in the way we interact with digital assets. As these technologies mature, they will unlock new opportunities for creators, investors, and users in an increasingly decentralized world. Are you ready to be part of the NFT and Web3 revolution? The future is here, don't miss out.